stay straight and she kept turning the wheel?
She kept turning that wheel, cracked me up. Okay. Hold on. This feels like something.
It feel like what?
It feels like the freeway.
No, you ain't hit the freeway yet.
Okay, it looks like the freeway.
It do?
Oh, okay.
Oh, no. Stay to the left as you go around and then speed it up a little bit because you're on the freeway. Did you want me to tell you it was on the freeway or you just on it?
I enjoy the way that you got me on it because preferably. That was nice.
That was nice?
That was a nice entry.
That was one of the easiest entries.
And I picked a good time. I said, let me see what time is people going to be doing stuff.
Yeah. But yeah, I just like to get students on this freeway just because it's one of the easiest entrances to get onto. And yeah, it gets your speed up, get you comfortable. Just make sure that you're looking all around you, checking out what's happening. Keeping it moving. How do you feel?
Peaceful.
You feel peaceful?
Yes, I said, God, let the freeway be empty.
Oh my gosh, thank you, Jesus.
Yes.
It's semi-empty.
It's semi-empty enough for me.
Well, you're doing the thing, girl. Keep it up. Pick it up a little bit more. Never driving people blind spots. They won't be able to see you there. It's just a problem. So when you see trucks, see how we can see them in that mirror? Now we can't. We in a blind spot. So just try to stay out of that space for old time's sake.
Now this freeway was too easy. I'm gonna get you on the east side.
Heck no, that's what happened last time I was trying to put you on 94. I was scared, hell. But you got on there though.
No, I did not get on the freeway last time. You tried to get me on the freeway. I said, no.
I ain't put you on the freeway?
No, I told you I wasn't getting on no freeway. I said we gonna get on there about the third, fourth lesson.
Oh yeah, you was scared.
I was very scared.
I remember that. But that east side freeway is treacherous.
And then you got to go down that ramp, which I thought it was gonna be something like that. So.
No, we're going to hit some ramps for sure. I just didn't want to do that. We're going to do a Michigan U-turn coming up here where that car is. So slow it down big time and stay towards that inside island. Slow more. There you go. There you go. A little bit more. Stay inside. 1, 2. Boom. Boom. Hold it down so that we can still see this way. Don't want to turn all the way that way or you can't see here. So you got to kind of keep it straight until we notice that we're good. Now we're clear. Rock and roll. Get in that first lane. Bam, bam, bam. There you go. There you go, girl. Keep it going. Lane change to the right for me one time. Check, check. Boom, 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 boom. Right there. There you go. You're doing it now. Looking good. Keep it going.
If it's a little place over here, and I can get on this freeway to do my test, now I can do it because I just got to get on the freeway for the test,
You're not about to live your whole life not getting on the freeway, girl. That ain't how it works. About to take all day trying to get to your girlfriend's house because you're going to take the long route.
You see, they live about 10 minutes away from me at the moment, so I ain't worried about that right now.
But what about when y'all want to go out?
They can't.
Now they got to come pick you up because you don't want to drive out to Pontiac or Troy because it's going to take you 2 hours on the road.
You're driving too slow for me. We on the freeway now.
Lane change to the right. Check, check. Right. You went left.
I'm sorry.
Good. It's just another viral moment. That's all. It's
no,
cool.
It's not. It's not.
It's another one of the moments. So just keep it going. They'll stay in their lane. Stay in your lane. And keep it rolling. We're just looking out for them.
Come on now, baby. Get on here. Okay, that was cool because I was worried about them coming on too. Trying to see how they were going to come on and how the lane was going to be when they got on. Cool.
We're going to lane change to the right. Let's see. Hope you feel good about yourself.
I do. I feel really good.
You're doing an awesome job. We're going to lane change to the right up here. go.
Definitely gotta start breaking my neck a little bit more too. And then that blind spot. One day I was driving with my mama and she said, "You need to start checking your blind spots." And I'm like, ain't nobody in my blind spot. Next thing you know, I see a car coming right up on the side of me. I said, "Oh, okay."
We're curving right. Slow it down. Stay towards that right as you go around. Slow it more. Stay right. Gas through. Stay right. Pick it up. Now we're getting onto the freeway. I want you to stay focused on our lane and just pick up your speed. Don't look nowhere else. Just stay there. Keep it going. Once we go around, then we'll focus on lane changing over to the left. Matter of fact, nope, just stay right here. We'll take this all the way through, come off the exit, then we'll take it from there. But now you're on the lodge with it.
Oh no, get me off of here.
What's wrong with the lodge?
They don't like to drive safe.
Well, you know, you got your folks.
Very safe driver.
Say what? We're gonna take this all the way off.
They be turning up on the lodge. I don't never want to drive on the lodge. Oh my God, y'all done drove the freeway.
That's what you did, girl. We're gonna stay in our lane, continue forward. Make sure we check, make sure that they stopping. We'll stop here. Now we're going back onto the freeway. Keep it rocking and rolling. Pick it up. There you go. Stay focused on your lane and just picking up your speed. There you go. Pick it up. Pick it up. You got this. Blinker on. Check it. Check it. There you go. Now what you worried about?
Nothing. It's braking.
I'm just saying, you done got on here 3 times now. You're doing your thing. All you had to do was say that you wanted to come see me again. You wanted to hang out and
I
stuff.
didn't know I could drive like this.
Oh, I'm just saying. Just saying.
Oh my goodness. This is amazing.
It's amazing.
That's what I said. And everybody was like, I can take you on the freeway. I can take you on the freeway. I said, I got to go back to him. I got to go back to Corey. Ain't nobody else get me on the freeway. He the only person who's got me driving.
Here. Check here. Don't move. Just check to see who's entering.
Okay.
Then keep it rolling.
Like, he's the only person who got me driving first. So he's going to be the first person to take me on the freeway.
We're going to come up at this next one. So make sure you put that right blinker on and keep that speed all the way off that exit ramp. Don't slow down on the ramp.
Okay.
We're going to be making a left when we exit, so stay towards the left as we exit. Get it in there. Yeah. There you go, and just coast it all the way up until we prepare to make that left coming up. There you go, start slowing it. Slow it more. There you go, roll it all the way up. Let's make our left. Take it up, take it up. Oh, we ain't gonna make it.
This is so cool.
You got on and off there.
Yes.
Easy work.
I'm so surprised.
You surprised?
Yeah. I had a terrible fear of that. I feel like my prayer definitely worked. Because the freeway, like, you could say freeway and it was going to make me had a boo-boo.
Well, baby, I bought tissue today. I got some tissue today.